Today we're going to show you how to use Simplified Video Converter. Into your Simplified account, go to the AI Magic Tools section. When all the tools opens, click on Convert Video. Drop your video into the highlighted square, or browse to select it. Once the video is uploaded, you will see that the format of the video is highlighted in the upper corner. In the lower section of your video, you will find the option to select the format for converting your video. Then click the Convert button. The video will automatically be converted into the desired format. In the upper right corner, you can verify the new format of the video. To finish, click on Download. And that's it. To more videos, check our Academy and Help Center.